Right, I've just come over to the ETAL and we're going to say Top Fix stands. I'm going to talk to Martin because he's got something that I've not seen before. He's going to demo it, explain it to you, and it's all to do with plumbing and the trap waste of a sink. Am I right?
Yep,
so I'm going to swivel the camera around and let's talk to Martin and he can tell you a little bit more about it. Morning, Martin.
Morning. So this is the product that we're talking about. Revolutionise the industry with a Top Fix waste, so easy to install. You don't need any silicone. It seals first time. So this is how you buy the product already fully assembled in the box like this. You get a tool with it that you can either put in by hand or we're using it in a drill here just to show how quick it is. And the simplest of process to fit, we just take the basket out, put it in the sink, and that's it. Installed, won't leak. You can see the solid fixing on that. Simple to use and no mess.
I'm total layman, don't know anything about plumbing. If we just whip that back out,
Yeah.
are we taking it that it's actually tightened it up and created a seal within itself?
Yes.
On a rubber seal?
Yes.
So do you just have to make sure it's clean and dry before you install it?
It doesn't matter, you're still using the mechanical fixing.
Right.
So the metal parts are clamping down the top section. I'll just sort of show you as it's coming back out there to get an idea. So it's one continuous seal, so you're clamping down as you fit. So it's going to clamp and seal first time, every time.
And nobody else has ever done this before?
No, we've got a worldwide patent on this product. Not only for the kitchen strainer, we also do it for the basin waste, and we have the shower waste as well, and the bath one.
I'm going to say I feel privileged to see this. You've seen it here first, live in action, and watch this space. This is going to go big.
It is, yeah. The interest of the installers love the product.
Yeah.
How simple, how easy, time saving, no mess, works first time every time.
And the big question is going to be, what sort of cost are we looking at and where do you buy it from?
Yeah, well, it's available now. It's in Screwfix, so the full range will be in Screwfix at the end of November. The strainer's available now, but you'll be able to get it from all Plumbers merchants everywhere. Price-wise, it's just same price as a mid-range product, so there's no major up cost. Simple technology.
And you're doing it in different sizes as well, I'm noticing.
Yeah, so that's the that one's for the basin. So it's a very similar process. You just put it in, and with the tool, tighten it up, and then the waste goes in afterwards.
In for a penny, in for a pound. Do you want to show us the shower trap waste? Right, so the shower trap waste, same principle, and you're just going to show us this one as well.
Yep, and again, install from above, put it in place. That's it, fitted. All products are manufactured to the relevant standards and all fully tested, 30,000 in and out test just for the materials, etc.
Right. That's brilliant. Thank you very much, Martin. Thanks for joining me.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Cheers.